Open your browser and in the Google search, type Paddy Power, and then from the search results, go to paddypower.com. At the top, you could see the promotions. So don't simply tap on sign up. Otherwise, you won't get the promotion. Instead, tap on the promotion itself. This would then automatically open the sign up page with the promotion already applied. And then when you tap on the promotion again, you could read under the section, how and when can I qualify, which tells you what are the conditions that you need to fulfill to be able to get the £40 free bet, which I would talk you through. Meanwhile, I recommend you to select and copy the promo code in here and paste it in your notes in case you might need it later on after signing up. So select your gender, type in your first name, type in your last name, enter in your birthday, enter in your phone number, and then scroll down, select your country, and then enter your address. And finally, tap on continue to step 2 out of 2. In here, you need to enter your email ID, type in a password, and then you need to answer one of these security questions. For example, your father's first name, type that in. You will need to also set up a deposit limit, tap on time period, and then you could select from daily, weekly, monthly, or even no limit. I select monthly, and then you can enter the monthly limit, which means you would not be able to deposit higher than the limit that you would enter in here. For example, £100. You would need to also tap on I acknowledge that my funds are protected. And finally, if you will scroll down, you could see that the promotion banner is also there. That means it should automatically apply. So once you're happy, tap on sign up. Then it gives you this message saying that you could actually change the deposit limit, but it would take 24 hours for the new limit to take place. So tap on continue. Then you could choose your contact preferences or simply tap on skip. Now, here is important. If you had already opened an account many years ago, even with an email ID, that's different than the email ID that you're signing up today. But based on your full name, date of birth, and address, they would detect that you already had signed up before. And even if you have closed your account before, it doesn't make a difference. You would still not be considered as a new account. However, if it is your first time signing up to Paddy Power, then you will be logged in and be able to claim the promotion. Now that we have logged in, I recommend you to install the Paddy Power app, which you can see at the top banner. Simply tap on get and then tap on continue, and finally tap on the download icon to download Paddy Power sports betting app, and then open the app. Tap on ask app not to track. It would not automatically log you back in. So tap on the login icon and then enter the email ID and the password that you have just created, and then tap on come on in, and then you can enable Face ID and then tap on OK. Here it is. We have finally logged in, and as I promised, I will show you what you would need to do to qualify for the £40 free betting promotion. The first step was to enter the promo code, which would automatically apply by tapping on the promo banner while signing up. And the second step is to deposit a minimum of £5 by either bank or a debit card or by Apple Pay. So tap on your profile icon and then tap on deposit. Under the first tab, you get the popular options for depositing, for example, Apple Pay. And if you would swap to the right, you could deposit by card or by bank. And then if you would select the other methods tab, these are some other methods that you could use to deposit. So I go back to the popular. And I think the most convenient way is to deposit by Apple Pay. So enter your amount. It needs to be minimum £5 and then tap on pay and then double click the side button to pay the £5. This would then confirm, tap on OK. And here you could see the cash balances. You can now close this. The next condition to fulfill is to place a minimum of £5 bet on sports. So tap on the PP dot icon on the top left corner to go to the home page. And here you could see different tabs such as football, horse racing, in-play, lotteries. But one of the conditions was to place a bet on sports. So you can't select lotteries. So in this example, I select football and then we get a few other tabs such as popular, World Cup. In this example, I select World Cup. You could see various different bets that you could make. You could bet on who would win the golden boot, or if you scroll down, you could bet on different matches. The next match is France versus Senegal, so tap on it. And then if you would scroll further down, you could see the options such as if France wins, the draw, or if Senegal wins. So to fulfill the condition, we need to select a bet with a minimum odds of 2. So you could select the draw or the bet that the Senegal would win, but you can't select the bet that the France would win because the events is less than 2 and you will need a bet with odds of 2 or more events. So after selecting draw, it will create a bet slip. Tap on it and then tap on the box to enter the betting amount. And again, to qualify for the promotion, you will need to enter a value of 5 or greater. I enter the minimum amount, which is 5, and then tap on OK. This would then show you the potential return, which is £22.50, which is calculated by multiplying 5 times 7 divided by 2, which gives you £17.15, and then adding it to your bet value of £5, which would give you a return of £22.50. And once you're happy, tap on place bets. This should now fulfill our second condition. And then if you would tap back on the home page, you could always check your bets by selecting my bets. And here you could see the bet that would take place today, which we will need to wait and see the results. Now the game is finished. To see your results, tap on my bets and then tap on settled. Here you could see the stake and the returns, which is 0. But the good news is that the condition was just to bet on a game with the events greater than 2, irrespective of whether you lose or win the bet. So now if you would tap on your profile icon, you should be rewarded £40 free bet. I hope this video helped you to sign up to Paddy Power and get your £40 free bet. If it did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel. And if you still have any questions, let me know in the comments below.